Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cinnamon rolls quick and easy. First, grab a tube of refrigerated crescent roll dough or pizza dough to save time. Unroll it onto a lightly floured surface. Gently roll the dough into a rectangle, aiming for about 12 by 18 inches. Next, spread 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter evenly across the entire surface of the dough, leaving a small border. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix these ingredients well until they are fully incorporated. Evenly sprinkle this fragrant sugar and cinnamon mixture over the buttered dough, making sure to cover it completely. Carefully roll the dough tightly from the long side, creating a neat log. With your dough log ready, it's time to slice it into individual rolls. Use a sharp knife or even dental floss to cut the log into 12 equal pieces, each about 1.5 inches thick. Arrange these beautiful rolls in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, leaving a little space between them. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, or until golden brown. While your cinnamon rolls are cooling slightly, let's whip up a delicious cream cheese icing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter until smooth. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a splash of milk, mixing until creamy. Spread this luscious icing generously over your warm cinnamon rolls. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.